Hello traders and welcome to this weekly update of the Elliott Wave Street. My name is Juan Maldonado and it's a pleasure to be with you here on this analysis. Don't forget to read our full disclaimer on ElliottWaveStreet.com. This is the euro. The euro has been moving up last week during this B wave. The price has been pretty strong to the upside. The plan for this week is to start finding some reasons, some technical reasons to find the end of this B wave. There are some important technical levels with Fibonacci. The price is at the 50%, has been climbing, and look, here we have an issue. The price tries to move higher, is trying there, fails before hitting the high, reverse. So if the price moves below this pivot, that's the 112.92, that's gonna be the beginning of for the short trade. Elliott wave, it's pretty good to understand the market cycles, but it's pretty bad to find entries or actually targets, because it's pretty subjective, that part of Elliott wave. So we should combine, for example, with other tools such as the pivot points to find more things to be able here to find the targets. So these are the weekly pivot points. And the price last week ended at R3. These pivots never redraw. They are fixed during the whole week. And for this week, the pivot, that is the fair price, is at the 112.78. So if the price starts moving the 112.92, the first level to watch will be the 112.78. And if it breakouts, then we're going down to the 112.32. And our final destination for this trade will be the 111.84, the previous low. If it goes lower than that, perfect. If not, we should take profits right there. So also we can add the trend line. On this trend line, we have 3 hits, 1, 2, and 3. So that's another level to watch. So we can take the 1 to 3 pattern right here, and if it breaks the pivot, we can add, or we can also take profits or take half of the trade. Well, that's trade management at that instance. The other instrument pretty interesting for this week is the pound. The pound is inside this triangle formation. It's pretty complex, the price on the pound. Look how well the triangle is acting here as resistance. We have the first price hitting the 61.8 Fibonacci retrace, and the next level will be 78.6. So I'm thinking that for this week we need to have a hard high back to the 78.6 before the drop. Another instrument that I'm looking this week is the dollar CAD. The dollar CAD seems to be starting a new cycle down. Let's add the pivot points for this week to check what is going on this market. So the price just tests the pivot to start the week, fails to continue higher, and starts going below the previous wave 1. Immediately reverse. Seems that it's going to be a choppy week because the holiday season. But anyway, the minimum target on the dollar CAD is the 132.84 for this week, then 132.74, and if it breakouts, we could be starting to see finally the wave 3. And let's take a look at the S&P. The S&P has been climbing. We have been seeing the S&P moving higher. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart is really important on the S&P this week, because the pattern that we are seeing on the S&P, it's flat. The flat, we have a 3-wave sequence for A, a corrective sequence, triple corrective sequence for B that is active, and the B wave seems that wants to hit the previous high. Look what happened before when we have the test of the resistance. The price was able to move a little bit higher and then reverse. So what if here we have the same? The price goes a little bit higher and reverse. Because on the flat, the invalidation is at the 138.2% of the wave A, so that's a big distance that we can have there, and the wave count will be valid. But I'm thinking that in terms of the weekly, first of all, we need to see a higher high, and once it reverses, we should be ready to take the short trade. So for this week, expecting higher price action on the S&P. You can take the trial of this membership, Elliott Wave Street membership, by visiting elliottwavestreet.com. Click on the membership link on top, and here you will see all all what we have on the service, and the first month is just for $19. So then will be $75 per month, and here are all the instruments that we cover. So daily chart, 4 hour and hourly, also daily video with trade ideas, with targets, invalidations, and strategies, 5 videos per week. The weekly charts and pending orders as well. So take our trial right now and start receiving these analyses every day. Please have a fantastic week, make some good money, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.